Voice disorders. Introduction. Vocal cords vibrate to make a person's voice. Select true or false. Correct. When air moves against the vocal cords, they vibrate and make sound. The sound echoes through the throat, mouth, and nose to make a person's voice. Which of the following are symptoms of voice disorders? Choose one of the following options. 1. Difficulty speaking. 2. Hoarseness. 3. Low or raspy voice. 4. All of the above. Correct. Which of the following can help treat laryngitis? Choose one of the following options. 1. Resting your voice. 2. Keeping your throat moist. 3. Avoiding harmful chemicals and smoke. 4. All of the above. Correct. Which of the following can cause vocal cord paralysis? Choose one of the following options. 1. Injury to the neck, chest, or vocal cords. 2. Tumors. 3. Viral infections. 4. All of the above. Correct. The cause of vocal cord paralysis is often unknown. Nodules, polyps, and cysts can be caused by straining your vocal cords. Select true or false. Correct. Nodules, polyps, and cysts can be caused by overusing your voice. Thank you for using Explain.